This video, we're going to take the idea of constructing a right angle and use it to create an angle of 45 degrees and might even go 22.5 as well, depending on time. So, recap on how to create the right angle. We need to extend the line segment so that it actually comes out beyond the point where we want to create our angle, and we keep going. So we've got somewhere to construct the mirror side of our diagram. Away. So our compasses go down on the point, the one point we know. This could be anywhere, that could be anywhere, because we've just drawn it, and we draw arc both sides to allow me to construct my perpendicular. Now we create arcs based upon a mirror. If I was to arc here, they would just touch, so I need to make my compasses slightly bigger. I come down and make an arc below the line, make another arc above the line. They could be different radii, it doesn't matter if they're the same, but I must make mirror images of each. So that the radius of this must match the radius of that one, and the radius at the bottom must match the radius given there. Having used that, I'll put that to one side for a minute. We use pencil, and I'm going to do this in blue to show the perpendicular line from that point through and up. So there's my right angle. I'm going to construct in green the bisector. Well, a bisector halves an angle, so I'm going to make it slightly wider, or a slightly bigger diagram. And now I'm doing basically the same construction using this point and this leg instead of this pink one. So I cut an arc across the black line, I rotate up, cut an arc across that one. This one I could change my radii. An interesting trick though with constructing 45 degree lines is if I use the compasses and their reflections using the same axes, I actually get a coordinate for a point that finishes to make a square. This actually is a square around the middle here. Then I put my line through from the centre using my ruler, pencil and ruler, and keep going through the point. And when I check it, I should have an angle 45 degrees. There's the 0. I'm slightly above my 45. It might have been a little bit sloppy with this first purple line. We'll go for 22.5 as well, which I'll do in cyan. And again, it's just another angle cut. This time, these two arms, same point in the middle, and we're doing the same construction. So I'm doing a cut across, rotate, cut across, come out, and now if I leave this as the same instead of changing my radii, what I'm actually creating is a rhombus. And the point about the rhombus is that opposite angles must be equal and adjacent pairs make 180. So I now draw a line through there from the centre through my angle top here. Check my protractor again, and now I should be at 22, and it's showing 23, not 22.5, which for a test would be sufficient. If you were trying to do things accurately, you would actually use computer software that insists on making the positions fixed, things like GeoGebra. Okay, that's the end of those two. We've created 3 angles.